Hey everyone, this is Rhino2448 back with another video and another car show. Classic car show, that is. We're in the town of Port Washington, New York, with a classic car show, a custom car show, a regular car show, because I see a lot of cars from today. So it's a good turnout, and it is cold, but we're gonna keep on pushing. I can handle it. Oh, here we go. We're gonna start out with this one right here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 1968 Charger RT. This is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. I always love Chargers due to the shape, due to the style. And this car got a second life of popularity with a show that was called the Dukes of Hazzards. Now, I don't know if they used a 68 in that show, but this is a beautiful, beautiful car. All right, and it seems to have a lot of classic cars here. Now, a lot of people used to tell me, or say to me, Rhino, why do you care about all these cars? They old. Nobody cares. You should. It's history. It's the past. You should always look at your past to see where you came from, where you are, or where you're going. Because the cars that you see here, I mean, you could easily look it up. All right? You want to research? You could go online now. You could go to Google. You could go to YouTube. Back in the day, you had to go to a library. Okay? Or if you was good enough to have encyclopedias in your house. But now, could tell you, if you don't know anything about this, all right, then this right here doesn't mean anything. Okay? How we come from this to this. All of this doesn't mean nothing if you don't know the past, where they came from, where they are right now, or where they're going in the future. This is a nice car, though. This is a Challenger, guys. Dodge Challenger. It's a beautiful car. And cars are still coming in. Oh, this is rough. I love the color. Mustang. All right, let's keep on moving. Okay, guys. Oh, this must be the Cadillac section. Old caddies, all classic caddies. This is impressive. These are really nice. Ooh, this red one right here. You can't even get a scale of how big these things are over the video. But Cadillacs in this year, it was huge. This also would not fit in my garage. This is let me see, a 79, I think. Let me check. Oh, yep, 79. 79. This is beautiful. Just the style, the length of this is crazy. Coupe de Ville. I wish the trunk was open just to see how huge this trunk is. This is really nice. And right next to it, this is beautiful too, man. And I don't know what year this is. Let me see. 1984. 1984 Caddy. Very nice. Okay, let's move on. Got a couple of Corvettes here. Or as they was called, Stingrays. Like this one. Beautiful color. Outside exhaust. Right on the side. This is a 1972. This is really nice. I'm loving this color. Not loving this wind though. It is cold out here. All right. Let's see where we could go next. Let's move on. Yo, look at this. This is crazy. Whoa. What the hell? How do you even get up in here? That is wild. That is wild. Okay. Oh. Look at this. This is beautiful. A Chevy Impala. This is nice. Look at all the glass that's there. That is something else, man. I love in this car. Whew. This is a 1961 interior. Spotless. Beautiful. Oh, it's a manual. 4 on the floor. She is nice. Very, very nice. I'm loving it. All right. Let's move on. I love my classic cars, man. Like I said, how do you know where you're going if you never know where you came from? Especially when it comes to cars. Oh, man, God. Ooh, another Chevelle Super Sport. This is nice. Beautiful car. Woo, woo, woo. A 396 cubic engine with a turbojet 325 horsepower. Oh my God. 1969, guys. 1969 Chevelle Super Sport. Oh man, this thing will move on the highway. Okay. Let's move on. All right. Let's keep on walking. They really don't have any order here. They got old next to the new. They got classics next to the customs. So nothing is really together here. Oh, for example, we have a BMW X3, I think it is. Oh yeah, BMW X3 right next to a 1964 Buick Wildcat. That's cool. Old, right next to the new. Well, I should say the old, right next to the new. BMW X3, 1964 Buick Wildcat. X3 is a really nice Beamer. I'm not crazy about the color though, but it's nice. Then we have the 1964 Buick Wildcat. These are hard to find in this condition. It's really nice. All right, let's see what Challenger. Loving the Challengers. This is nice. This is really nice. I don't remember the year though. Oh, this is 1970, really? I would have said 72. This is a 1970 Challenger. Nice car. All right. Oh, somebody's bringing in their Chevelle. A lot of Chevelle Super Sports here. All right, let's keep on moving. Alfa Romeo. Nice. And the Corvette. Yeah, we seen this at the car show. If you didn't see that video, click it. At the International Car Show. $140,000. Oof. That's really, really rich for my blood. Beautiful car though. All right, let's keep on moving. Oof. This is crazy. This is another Corvette. This is nice. It seems so tight in there though. It's really nice. Cool car. All right. Like I said, there is no order here. Everything new against old. Oh, this is really nice. All right, somebody got the Renegade, the Jeep Renegade all pimped out. This is nice. Very nice. They've done a good job with her. More Corvettes. Oh, this color looks nice. Nice Corvette. All right, let's move on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 1932 Pier Arrow. There's not many around anymore, especially in this condition. This is a work of beauty and automotive perfection. Oh my gosh. When this car came out, this was top of the line. And it's big And it's huge. This is a real beautiful looking car. I had to take a picture of this, being that there's not many around in this condition. And it's rare to have 2 doors. It's got the original wood grain in here. It's fading a little, as you could see, but
hey, how are you?
She's still beautiful, man. Wow. This is like finding gold. I can't even tell you how rare this car is in this condition. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm lost for words. It's amazing. This is amazing. Unbelievable. Okay, let's move on. Excuse me that I was slobbering, but y'all don't have no idea how rare that car is in that condition. Whoa, GTO coming our way. Nice car. Okay, let's move on. Okay, still out here. People are still coming in with their cars. This is great. What the hell is this? Like I said, all these custom cars. Wow. Well, I know that's a 55 Bel Air. Doesn't look like the Bel Air that I know, but like I said, people are custom made, you know, hooking up their cars. All right, interesting. Speaking of custom, this is another 55 Chevy, but it's custom. They sloped down the roof a little. As you can see, it's nice. The engine is all chromed out. I don't have nothing against custom cars. This is really nice. It's just that sometimes when they take a classic car and just chop it up, man, sometimes I get cringed, man, because you're just losing something when you do that. But, you know, to each his own. This is really nice. All right, let's move on. Another Dodge coming in. All right. This is a big turnout. All right, let me go over here before I get run over. Very nice. Do-do-do-do-do. Where should we go next? Another Corvette. Next to a Grand National. I love Grand Nationals. This is nice. 1987. Perfect condition. I love it. Okay, let's move on, guys. Okay, guys, correction. That wasn't a Grand National that we seen last. Like I said, I can be wrong sometimes. This is a Grand National. All right. Seeing the back, and of course it says Grand National. This is nice.
Well, I don't even care. This one company had it. It was over 300 listen, hey, but he told me he couldn't get it.
Beautiful car. These are sought after. A lot of people would love to pick these up. They was quick, fast. Buick really did their thing when they made this car. Just look at this engine. No joke, right? Beautiful car. Okay. Shelby. Another famous car. Whew. They were called Cobras. These were no joke. Beautiful. All right, let's move on. Okay, another 1957 Bel Air. It was a big seller back in the day. Beautiful car. And over here, we have a Mustang GT 350. Beautiful car. Very nice. $289 underneath the hood. 1966. Very nice. And we have the IROC. Now, this was a really good seller back in the day. $1987. It's a little write-up about her. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Whew. Back here, I'm stumped. Oh, This is an Oldsmobile. Olds Cutless? Yes. There we go. It's an Olds Cutless. Very nice. That engine is crazy. Cutless. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's a 1970. 1970 Olds Cutless. Nice. All right. Z28. Another Chevy. Very nice. $1979. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, before we go. 1970 Oldsmobile Cutless. Convertible, matter of fact. Beautiful car. Nice color. This is cool. And check out this young lady in her car. Wow. I wonder how much she paid for that.
Back it up, back it up, back it up.
Really
back
nice.
It back it up. Yeah, back it up. Back. Back it up.
All right. All right, we was distracted by that beautiful car she had. This is the Cutless. 1970. Nice color.
Back it up or pull it up, either or.
Love it. Love it. Do 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 do. And we have a Pontiac here, but I do not know what it is. Is this a... Like I said, I could be wrong sometimes. Is this a Tempest? It looks like a Tempest. Oh yeah. She's a Tempest. These are rare too. These are hard to find. Pontiac Tempest. Color scheme is nice. White with a little bit of a, what is that? A aqua or bluish trim. Very nice inside. A 1966 Pontiac Tempest. Really, really nice. All right. All right, you have the Impalas over here. We all know about them. And you got this custom-made wagon over here. But that's about it. Another Super Sport. White Volkswagen Beetle going around, going down the block. All right, that's it, guys. We're out of here. So, this was interesting. And the cars are still coming in. Oh man, it's been a good day. A cold day. I am freezing. My hands, my face. But cold didn't stop any of these guys, so it's not going to stop me. So let's go. It's been nice. And we'll catch you on the next video. Who knows where we'll go to next? Subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the rebound, okay? So this is Rhino 2448 signing out. Talk to you guys later.